Hey guys, if you're struggling to keep your Sentro machine down on your tabletop, I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to get it stuck. So first of all, I want to let you know that this is a Sentro 22 or whatever brand it happens to be, and this came with some little pads to put at the bottom, but these pads are just to keep it from scratching up your surface, so not to actually keep it stable on your surface. So first of all, I'm going to take these little pads off. And we're just gonna get rid of these, quite frankly, because they're not gonna do anything. And what you're going to need are some of these command strips. I got this big old pack at Sam's a long time ago, and they're actually for posters. These are gonna do just fine for our Sentro. Okay, so I got my command strips out, and what we're gonna wanna do is clean these off with some alcohol. And the reason why you want to clean this off with alcohol is simply because it may have some dirt or some oils on there from your tabletop, or even some adhesive that's left over from those other pads. And the beauty about isopropyl alcohol is that it dries very fast. So let's put those aside. And now I'm going to try it with just two for now. And as you can see, one side has the wall side, they're pretty much the same. So I'm going to put the wall side down on here. And which way is the front? That way. I'm going to put the little tabby going towards the front. And I'm actually going to put another one right here, caddy corner from it. And I'm just going to press them down. Go ahead and peel that other side off here. There we go. And now let's flip it over. So now we have one on the front and one on the back, and that should be sufficient enough to stick it down. Now it may be a little wobbly, but there we go. We've got it. Now the yarn that I'm using right now with my Sentro is not that great, but as you can see, it is not going to go anywhere. And I really didn't want to stick any more on there simply because I didn't want to waste them. But I will put some underneath these just to make it even. There we go. And now I don't have to worry about my Sentro moving around. Amazing! So anyways, I hope this tip was helpful and you go pick up some command strips. You don't even have to use the brand Command. You can buy the off-brand. I believe Walmart has their own version of these strips for a little cheaper, and just have them on hand for when you're doing a project and your Sentro doesn't want to stay in place. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!